8 years after the collapse of the U.S. housing market, Christina Clifford says she and her family remain traumatized. Speaking at a forum hosted by Democratic senators, she blamed Steven Mnuchin and the bank he purchased at the height of the subprime loan crisis for cheating her out of house and home.
Steve Mnuchin profited from people like me, even when we did everything we could to keep our homes. You might say that he did not personally authorize One West or IndyMac to cheat me out of my home, but his fortune rose as a direct result of managing a company that routinely engaged in irresponsible behavior.
Advocates for low-income communities described One West Bank under Mnuchin as a foreclosure machine.
That One West foreclosed on over 36,000 families in California and 24,000 families nationally. All of these foreclosures occurred after Mr. Mnuchin purchased IndyMac Bank.
But at his confirmation hearing, Mnuchin defended his banking record, saying One West helped thousands of customers avoid losing their homes.
Since I was first nominated to serve as Treasury Secretary, I have been maligned as taking advantage of others' hardship in order to earn a buck. Nothing could be further than the truth.
What is true, says Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren, is that Mnuchin made a lot of money at the expense of others.
6 years after buying the bank, he sold it and reportedly may have pocketed more than $200 million in personal profits.
Senate Finance Committee Chairman Orrin Hatch lashed out against the claims, saying much of the criticism leveled against Mnuchin was without merit.
First, no one has credibly alleged that any laws, regulations, or industry standards were violated by companies run by Mr. Mnuchin. All independent valuations of the company's actions have resulted in high marks.
Despite facing tough questions from Democrats, Mnuchin was widely praised by Republican senators, who applauded his business and investment experience. As Treasury Secretary, Mnuchin would be in charge of overhauling the nation's tax system and ensuring that the economy works for all Americans. Arcega, VOA News, Washington.